Cultural expression. The mural contest serves as a platform for artistic expression, particularly for local students, with participation from junior and senior high school students. It aims to visually represent the rich culture and traditions of La Trinidad, with the 2025 theme being Simek La Trinidad, Love La Trinidad. Community engagement. The contest fosters community engagement and participation, drawing in local talents to contribute to the festival's atmosphere. It is an effort to revitalize public spaces by giving life to municipal walls. Festival highlight. The mural contest is an integral part of the La Trinidad Strawberry Festival, contributing to the festival's diverse range of activities. It is one of the ways that the festival displays the town's pride. Purpose. One of the purposes of the mural contest is to discourage vandalism and to give life to the municipal walls. Prizes. There are prizes awarded to the winners of the contest with monetary rewards for the top placements and consolation prizes for all participants. In essence, the 2025 Strawberry Festival Mural Contest is a colorful and meaningful event that blends art, culture, and community spirit, enhancing the overall experience of the festival. The 2025 Strawberry Festival Mural Contest in La Trinidad, Benguet, presents a fascinating intersection of art, community, and cultural celebration. Here's an opinion on the event considering various potential aspects. Potential positives: community engagement and cultural preservation. A mural contest is a fantastic way to involve the local community directly in the festival. It fosters a sense of ownership and pride. If the contest themes effectively capture the essence of the strawberry industry, the cultural heritage of La Trinidad, and the indigenous traditions of Benguet, it can serve as a powerful tool for preservation and education. It can be a platform for local artists to showcase their talent and contribute to the visual identity of their community. Tourism and economic impact. Eye-catching murals can become tourist attractions, drawing visitors to La Trinidad beyond the festival dates. This can have a positive impact on the local economy. The contest can generate media attention, further promoting the Strawberry Festival and La Trinidad as a destination, artistic expression, and innovation. A mural contest provides artists with a large-scale canvas to express their creativity. It can encourage innovation and the exploration of new artistic styles. The contest can foster a vibrant arts scene in La Trinidad, inspiring young artists and promoting artistic development. Potential concerns and considerations. Theme: interpretation and cultural sensitivity. It's crucial that the contest guidelines clearly define the themes and emphasize cultural sensitivity. A lack of clarity could lead to misinterpretations or the creation of artwork that is disrespectful to local traditions. It is vital that the organizers include members of the indigenous communities within the judging panel to ensure cultural accuracy. Artist selection and judging process. Transparency and fairness in the artist selection and judging process are essential. The criteria for judging should be clearly defined and publicly available. It is important that the judging panel contain people with art backgrounds. Mural placement and longevity. The placement of the murals should be carefully considered to ensure they are visible and accessible to the public. The materials used should be durable and weather resistant to ensure the mural's longevity. Consideration should be given to how the murals will age and if they will need to be maintained. Potential for commercialization. While tourism is good, the contest organizers should be wary of their commercializing the artwork and ensure the artwork maintains its cultural integrity. Overall, the 2025 Strawberry Festival Mural Contest has the potential to be a significant cultural event for La Trinidad. Its success will depend on careful planning, clear guidelines, and a commitment to cultural sensitivity and community engagement. If executed well, it can be a vibrant celebration of art, culture, and the spirit of the Strawberry Festival.